Namaste children. In the last session we had discussed about worksheet number 1, 4th main to 6th main, 7th, 8th and 9th main I had given for homework. Today we are going to continue with the homework under the chapter algebraic expressions. Children, here is a question that find the area of a rectangle whose sides are 2a and 3a. We have to consider a rectangle, children, whose sides, you know, the dimensions of the rectangle are length and breadth. Here length, let us take it as 2a, and breadth, let us take it as 3a, and we have to find the area of this rectangle. We know the area of the rectangle formula is length into breadth. We have to substitute what we have taken as length and breadth. Length we have taken as 2a, breadth we have taken as 3a. We know how to multiply the algebraic expressions 2a into 3a. First we have to group the constants and then the variables. 2 into 3, a into a. Multiplication sign will be there as it is. 2 3s are 6. A into a is a square. Since it is asked for area, we are going to write the square units. So the area of this rectangle is 6a square units. Next is question number 8. Find the area of a rectangle whose length is thrice its breadth, where breadth is 4x, children. Here, let us take a rectangle, consider a rectangle. Breadth is given as 4x. So in such type of questions, we have to come from the last, children, where breadth is given for this rectangle. Breadth is how much? 4x. Now, length is thrice its breadth. Length is 3 times. Thrice means 3 times its breadth means breadth is how much we have taken? 4x. So 3 into 4x, which is equal to 3 4s are 12x. We know breadth and we know length. Now let us find out what is the area of this rectangle. Formula length into breadth. We have length as 12x and breadth as 4x. Constants and variables grouped together, 12 into 4 into x into x. 12 4s are 48. X into x is x square units. Next is question number 9. Find the area of a rectangle whose breadth is b and length is square of the breadth. Children, breadth is given as b here. So b is equal to b I have taken. Length is square of breadth. It means b square. Square of breadth means b is squared 2 times. That is square of breadth. So b square is the length. B is the breadth. Find the area of this rectangle means use the formula length into breadth. Length is taken as b square and breadth is b. B square into b. B means what, children? B to the power of 1. So bases are same. You should add the powers. 2 plus 1 is 3. So b square into b will be b cube square units. In this way, we have solved 3 questions from the worksheet number 1. Now let us continue with the worksheet 2. Worksheet 2, we have solved first main, children. Let us move for second main. In worksheet 2, what we have done? We have multiplied binomial with a monomial. Here, monomial with a binomial. Monomial with a binomial. So, second main also we have got the same. Find the following products and then evaluate when x is equal to 2 and y is equal to -1. Here we have to find the products. Products means we have to multiply monomial with a binomial. Let us see one more time, children. Concentrate properly, then only you are going to understand. And one more thing I want to tell you that you have to not only listen to the explanation, practice is more important, children, while doing algebra. If you only listen, you are not going to get it perfect. So you have to practice more and more, children. Now, in question number 2, first one we have 7x plus 9y square into 3x y square. So what I am going to do is I am going to write monomial first here, 3x y square. This one I am going to write here into 7x plus 9y square. So what I have done, I have just replaced or changed the positions of monomial and binomial, so that I can write it as, if this is A and this is B and this is C. What is the formula to find the product of monomial and binomial, children? A into B plus A into C. So what I am going to do? 3xy square into B, that is 7x, put it in the bracket, plus sign as it is, into 3xy square. 3xy square into what is the next term, children? 9y square. So A into B plus A into C. Now we know how to group them, monomial with a monomial. 3 into 7. 7 3s are 21. Now in this stage, you should be able to multiply directly, children, without grouping. 7 3s are 21. X into x is x square, y square as it is, because you don't have y here, plus 9 3s are 27. X and here no x is there, so x as it is. Y square into y square is y to the power of 4. Children, here we should not only find out the product, we have to then evaluate for when x is equal to 2 and y is equal to -1. What do you mean by evaluate means, children? Verification means we have to consider LHS and RHS, and then we have to verify LHS is equal to RHS. But in evaluation, we need to only consider the RHS, that is answer what we get after multiplication of monomial and binomial. What answer we get, we have to substitute x value and y value in this. So 21, what is x, children? Value of x is 2. 2 square, and value of y is -1. Use the brackets so that you are not getting confused. Plus 27. What is the value of x, children? 2. Y to the power, y is -1 to the power of 4, which is equal to 21 into, let us multiply or make the powers into numbers, children. You know how to do 2 square. 2 square is 2 into 2, which is 4, into -1 as it is, plus 27 into 2 into -1 raised to 4. 4 is an even number. So 1 multiplied 4 times is 1. But minus multiplied 4 times will be plus, children, because it is an even number. So the answer is 1. Now let us group them so that it will become easy for you. First multiply. Plus into minus is minus. 21 4s are 84 plus 27 2s are 54. One is plus, one is minus. What you are going to do? We are going to subtract. Children, you have y to the power of y square now. So -1 to the power of 2. This will be +1, children. So the answer is plus here. 84 plus 54, which is equal to 128. So this is called as evaluation. Here you get first answer. This answer will be evaluated. That is, only right hand side we have to verify. That is, you will get the answer by substituting x is equal to 2 and y is equal to -1. Next is question number 2. -11x. Children, here in the previous question we have changed the place of monomial and binomial. But in this case, you don't need to change the place because monomial is first here, that is A, this is B, and this is C. So monomial with the first term, 11x into 2y to the power of 5, group them, and minus sign you have, keep it as it is, in the brackets, minus 11x into the inside term. What is that, children? 3 by 11, x to the power of 3, y to the power of 3. Close the bracket, which is equal to, children, multiply minus 11 into 2, minus 22, x to the power of 1 as it is, y to the power of 5, minus into minus is plus, children. Minus into minus is plus, but here, observe, you can cancel 11 and 11. 11 ones are 11 ones are. So you are left with 3 into x. 3 into x to the power of, here you have x square, children. So x square into x is x cube. Then y to the power of 3. This is the RHS you have got, children. Now you have to evaluate this for x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. Minus 22 into x value is 2, y value is minus 1 to the power of 5 plus 3 into x power is, x value is 2 to the power of 3 and y value is minus 1 to the power of 3. First remove the powers, children. 22 into 2 into minus 1 multiplied 5 times is minus 1 plus 3 into 2 cube is 8 into minus 1 because minus 1 to the power of 3 odd number, so it will be having minus sign. Now only multiply, then add, children. Minus into minus is plus, 22 2s are 44, plus into minus is minus, 8 3s are 24. 44 minus 24, which is equal to 20. So here is the answer and this is the evaluation. Question number 3, 0.5x into a into b plus a into c. 0.5x into 2x square y square plus 0.5x into 1.5 x y to the power of 3. Now you have to first multiply 0.5 into 2, children. It is 1.0. So I'll write 1 x to the power of 3. X into x square is x cube, y to the power of 2 as it is. Plus, children, next you have 0.5 into 1.5. 0.5 into 1.5, how to multiply, you know, children. 0.5 into 1.5, leave the decimal point. 15 5s are 75. So after decimal point, you should be having 2 digits. So the answer will be 0.75 x square y to the power of 3. X into x is x square, y to the power of 3. Now evaluate only for RHS. 1 into value of x is how much, children? 2. 2 cube, y is minus 1 whole square plus 0.75 x is again 2 square, y is minus 1 to the power of 3. First remove the powers, children. 2 cube is 8 into plus 1 plus 0.75 as it is. Then you have got 2 square, which is 4 into minus 1. Then 8 ones are 8 minus, because plus into minus is minus, 75 fours are 300 you get, children. So after point you should have 2 digits. So answer is 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. So In this way, we have solved question number 2. Next is question number 3, children. Find the product of 8s square into t square minus 2st. Here, this is a monomial with a binomial, and in this question, we have to verify. So, verification means we have to consider the given question as LHS. The answer what we get after multiplying these two is RHS. We have to verify whether LHS is equal to RHS by using the values S is equal to 1 and T is equal to 5. Children, here first we have to consider 8s square into t square minus 2st. 8s square into t square and minus 8s square into 2st. A into B, plus is not there, children. Here you have minus A into C. Now, constants together, you have only one here. 8 ones are 8, s square, t square. Minus 8 twos are 16, children. S to the power of 3. S square into s is s cube. T as it is. Now, we have multiplied monomial with a binomial. Now, let us verify. So, to verify, we have to consider LHS. LHS is 8s square into t square minus 2st. Here, we have to substitute the value of s, children, that is 1 square. T is 5 square minus, again 2 as it is. In place of s, I am going to write 1. In place of t, I am going to substitute 5. 8 into 1 square is 8. Or else you write 8 into 1. 1 square is 1, children. Next in the brackets, 5 square is 25 minus 2 ones are 2, 5s are 10. First all the brackets, 8 ones are 8. And then 25 minus 10 is 15, children. 15 into 8 is 120. This is only LHS. Now let us consider RHS, children. RHS is what we have got as the answer, 8s square t square minus 16s cube t. What is the value of s, children? S is 1 square, t is 5 square, minus 16, 1 cube, t is 5. 8 into 1 into 5 5s are 25 minus 16 into 1 into 5. 25 8s are how much, children? 200 minus 16 5s are 80, which is equal to 120. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, we have verified. So, in this way, we are going to solve the verification problems, children. Next, we have question number 4. Find the product of the terms monomial and binomial, and also verify for the values x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. For this, we have to consider 2 by 7 x square into 7y plus 14x. Again here, children, consider this as A, B and C. So how do we multiply monomial and a binomial? We will convert this binomial to monomial by multiplying A into B plus A into C. So first write A, 2 by 7 x square into B, which is 7y. Put it in a bracket. You have plus sign here. And then A into C, 2 by 7 x square into 14x. Here you write denominator as 1, children. Why? Because it will be easy to cancellation here. Here before cancelling, you can either make into groups because you get confused. 2 by 7 into 7 by 1 into x square into y. The next plus as it is 2 by 7 into 14 by 1. I have grouped the numbers into x square into x. Now cancel 7 ones are 7 ones are 7 ones are 7 twos are. Now in the numerator you are left with 2 x square y plus 2 twos are 4 x cube, because x square into x is x cube. Now consider LHS, children. Which is the LHS here? The question what we have is LHS. 2 by 7 x square into 7y plus 14x. What is the value of x we are given, children? X is 2 and y is 3. So in place of x we are substituting 2 square, and in place of y we are going to put it 3 plus 14, x is 2 again. Now remove the powers, children. 2 by 7, 2 square is 4. In the bracket 7 3s are 21, 14 2s are 28. Children, here 4 2s are 8 by 7 into. In the brackets you have 21 plus 28, which is equal to 49. I'll write it as 49 by 1. Cancel 7 7s are 49. 8 7s are 56. LHS you have got 56. Now consider RHS, children. What is RHS? 2x square y plus 4x cube. 2 into x is 2 square, y is how much? 3 plus 4 into x is again 2 to the power of 3 here, because you have 3 power. Now remove the powers. 2 into 2 square is 4 into 3 plus 4 into 2 cube is 8, children. First you should multiply. 2 4s are 8, 3s are 24, and 4 8s are 32. 24 plus 32 is 56. Therefore, we can write LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, we have verified. So, in this way, we have solved question number 4. All these type of questions you can become perfect only by practicing, children. There is no other way to get the answer. Next, you have question number 5 and 6. I ask you to solve question number 5 as homework. The next class, let us solve the next problems. Hope you have understood well, children. Thank you, children.